Hello everyone. Today we're gonna make a cheesecake. I got my junior chef here to help me. First we're gonna start off with the crust. You need 1.5 cups of graham crackers. You need 7 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You also need a spring-loaded pan. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour our 7 tablespoons of butter into our crushed crackers. Go ahead and pour it in there. Pour it. Our tablespoon of brown sugar. And our 2 tablespoons of regular sugar. Just go ahead and pour it in the green thing. There you go. 1, 2. And we're gonna mix this on up. Now what we need to do is take that, crush that brown crackers. We're gonna push it all over all the sides. Get on the center, all down. All right, we got it spread all over. See that right there? Now the only thing we're gonna do with this, we're gonna put it to the side for later. We're gonna work with our filling for our cheesecake. You need 32 ounces of cream cheese, 2/3 cups of sour cream, a little bit of salt, a cup of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and we're gonna need 4 eggs. So what we're gonna start with, we're gonna lightly mix our cream cheese. We just wanna do it slowly, get it nice and creamy. All right, when we get that cream cheese nice and creamy, we're gonna add a cup of salt. We're gonna mix that in there. And when it's all thoroughly mixed up and creamy, we'll be ready to add our other ingredients. All right, when we get that sugar mixed up, what we wanna do is take a little spatula and go around the bowl, edges of the bowl, and bring everything down. Do it. Just put it in the bowl. There you go, that's all. Now we're gonna add our sour cream, which like I said is about 2/3 of a cup. Right on in there. Mix that on in. We're gonna add a little bit of salt, not much, just a tad. About that much right there. And we're gonna go ahead and add our 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1.5. All right, with our 4 eggs, you wanna get it to room temperature. We're gonna add 1 egg at a time. Just go ahead and break it and add 1 in there at a time. All right, make sure we don't get no shells in there. Easy does it. Throw that away for me. We'll put it on this paper towel. You want to get that 1 egg mixed up before we add the next one. All right, after we get all those 4 eggs mixed up in there, you want to take that spatula right there and go around the edge of it and make sure you get everything nicely mixed up. Just double checking, all right? No, just on the sides, just on the sides. You want to take it like this. Go down the sides. Make sure everything's nice and mixed up. There you go. Good job. When we do that, get our pan right here. We're just gonna take it and pour it right on in there. Take our spatula and get all the rest of it out of there.
And if you're a kid, make sure to ask for help. Don't try to do it on your own. It doesn't work.
All right, we got all the ingredients ready for our cheesecake. We're gonna put it in the oven at 325 for 50 to 60 minutes.
Make sure you don't burn yourself. That won't be good. That will hurt.
It definitely hurts. All right, our cheesecake came out of the oven. We let it rest for 10 minutes. You're gonna take a knife and you wanna go around the edge. Make sure it don't stick to the edge. After we get that done, we're gonna let the cheesecake rest for another hour, and then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator overnight, and then we can enjoy it tomorrow. All right, our cheesecake has rested overnight. It's time to try it out. Mm-hmm.